Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so before we get started, I went ahead and put on my headband to get my hair out of my face. I prepped my skin and now we're ready for some makeup application. And if this is your first time here, I'm Amy Cruz. I will be doing a tutorial on the makeup look that's in the thumbnail. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you for your support. I've been using Cocoa lashes for years, probably like 7 or 8 years now. I don't know if anyone uses these, but this is the Demi G lashes that I've been rocking forever. With the eyes, I start by using the P. Louise eyeshadow primer, and then I go ahead and set it with the Huda Beauty translucent powder. The color palette shade that I'm using is called 420 palette by the company Melt Cosmetics. I start off by using the transition shade, which is a yellow color called Wax, and then I use another transition shade that's more brown called Blunt. Then towards the outer corners to give me more depth and dimension, I use the color Roll It Up, which is more dark brown, and then Chronic, which is more of the green. It's more of a forest green or olive green. We're gonna cut the crease. By doing that, we're gonna use a flat brush and concealer. I did my eyeliner, I did my mascara, then I did my top liner, and then what I did was kind of carve the outer like wing bottom liner. So that's what I'm doing now. I wanted to put some glitter. We're gonna tightline the waterline from the upper lid. So for the top, I'm gonna use the Sephora Kohl liner. I'll show you what I mean with these. I usually cut the tip, so bear with me. So I always use the Duo lash glue. Why is it not focused? So let's do this. Okay. I feel so stiff. Ugh. And then I blinked. The Anastasia Norvina palette, and this is a throwback. So I have discovered like a few weeks ago this product, which is the Danessa Myricks Beauty, if I'm saying it right, but oh my god, this is a freaking game changer. So I'll use this and then I'll pack on the shadow. It looks white, but it comes out pink. So here, I'll just do like, kind of like a little stippling. Now, I'm gonna put the shadow, which is the pink that I showed you in the Anastasia palette. Woo! Look at that. I am going to put some more brown liner underneath because I just don't want it to run. Here I'm just contouring with the Fenty Beauty. Now I'm going to use my NARS Laguna bronzer. Which one should we use? I'm changing the lip color to black because I think it's more fitting. This color is rich. Alright, and I'm signing off. This is the end of the makeup look. I didn't want to do my hair. That'll be a different video. But I changed my top, changed my lip, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Love y'all. Peace.